Investigations in the past 12 hours, what have they been able to reveal? Tell me more about this Dr. Umar.
Gaurav, and if you talk about specifically Dr. Umar, what we are now learning is that he was taken aback after the arrest, those who made there in Faridabad, where a large amount of explosives were recovered, and then he left from Haryana for Delhi, and last he was seen there at the Badrapur border point, and from there he entered in Delhi from Badrapur to Lajpat Nagar to Outer Ring Road, then Inner Ring Road, and then here at Red Fort area. Also, let me tell you that he reached here at Red Fort area at around 3:18 p.m. yesterday, and right now I am standing at the same point, same spot where he parked his car. I would ask my video journalist Ankit Singh to pan his camera and show you the same parking area where his car was parked, for at least 3 hours, and here he was sitting in car. What we are now learning from our sources, Gaurav, is that Umar was sitting in car for at least 3 hours, and then he left from this parking area at around 6:40, and then he took a U-turn from this very point. Let me also try to decode through the visuals which we are right now playing on our television screens. You can see that the entry gate of this parking area is right now on your television screen, and from this entry gate Umar left at around 6:40 p.m. He then took a left turn, and after taking left turn, he took a U-turn and then reached there at the red light point, which is right in front of the entry point of Chandni Chowk Market and also the main Red Fort area. And after reaching there at the red light point, the blast took place at 6:52 p.m. So for at least 3 hours, Umar was there in parking area. Now, what we are learning is that the senior officials of NIA, NSG, they all are investigating as to how he was able to enter in Delhi territory, carrying explosives in large number, and all CCTV cameras are also being scanned.